Hey guys, it's Thomas, and I just wanted to create a quick video to go over the stealth mode feature of Clickjacker. I know a lot of you guys have had questions on this. There's quite a few people that are interested in running paid traffic with Clickjacker, and I think creating a video and going over the basics of what stealth mode does and what it's doing behind the scenes will really show you guys how powerful this feature is and how it can expand the current campaigns that you're running if you're already doing PPC. And also how it can help you run things that you couldn't run before on paid traffic. So it's a very powerful feature, and I want to go in depth on what it does. So what I've done is I've opened up my affiliate network over here. I logged into my affiliate network, and I'm searching for an offer on getting a free credit report. Okay, it's called MyScore. Credit report offers are really popular on the affiliate networks, and obviously it's something that's run on TV and things like that, so there's a ton of traffic in this niche. In fact, there's so much traffic in the free credit report niche that I wouldn't recommend that you run this offer. This is just a demo, and this is just a way to show you how this works. But if you do this, I know a lot of people replicate what they see, and if you run a paid traffic campaign for credit reports, your budget's going to burn up pretty quickly, because there's just a ton of traffic in this niche, okay? And it's also a little bit difficult to monetize because there's a lot of competition. But again, this plugin will help you. I'm not discouraging you from niches that have a lot of competition, and I'll show you what it does. So, first thing I wanted to show you is if we open up this offer here, I can go over to the creatives, and a lot of people have been asking, where can I get pop-up ads? Do I need to create these myself? And they've been wondering, where do I find the things to put in my pop-up, right? And I've suggested you can use Google Images and stuff like that, but the easiest way is actually just to get them from your affiliate network. They realize that affiliates need banner ads, all right? So they've actually uploaded quite a few banners for this offer. These are the ones I like to use, the 300 by 250, if you see here. There's quite a few of these in here, all right? And I actually kind of like this one right here. So I'm going to download this one. Let's make sure this is the right one. 300 by 250 animated. So I'm going to click download zip over here. It downloads the file for me. We'll open it up. I just double click it, and here's my image. So I'm going to drag this to my desktop. That's the image I'm going to use for my pop-up. Now I just need to copy the link, which is right next to it. So I'll just highlight that and copy it. This is my affiliate link, okay? Alright, so let's go ahead and create a campaign for that pop-up. I'm going to click Add Campaign, and I'm just going to call this campaign Credit Score, okay? And credit-score for the slug. Destination URL, this is what's going to load in the background. I like to find articles that don't already have a bunch of ads on them. So what I did was I Googled Credit Score, and on the first page there's this one that's on consumer.ftc.gov, right? So this is a really high authority page. It's a government site. If we click it, it's basically an article on how your credit score affects the price of your credit and your insurance, okay? And obviously there's no ads. It's a government site, and it's really helpful for people that are visiting this page. Okay, so all I need to do is copy the link from the top here, and then we'll go back and paste that into the destination URL. And that'll be the background for our pop-up, basically, or the background page behind our pop-up. Alright, now I need the image, so I'm just going to click Upload Image, and we'll use that banner. I'll just drag it from the desktop into here and upload that banner that we got from the affiliate network, right? You can see it right there. There's a preview. And then just scroll down, make sure full size is selected, and insert into post. And the link, I'm just going to use the link that they had next to that image, so let me copy that again. Go back, and we'll paste that into the image link. The dimensions, when we uploaded the image, it will give us those, so let me pick that image again. 300 by 250 right there. I'm going to leave it on page load because we want this to be as effective as possible and everybody to see that offer. The reason we're running paid traffic is to get people through to the affiliate link, okay? The final step here is to enable stealth mode. So all we want to do is check this box and click save. And I can actually close this download there. Okay, so it says our campaign's been saved. I'm going back to all campaigns, and you'll see my credit score campaign here. And to the right of it, the icon is red. That means stealth mode is enabled. If we view this page by clicking the preview icon, we're just going to see the page that we've set for the background. There's no pop-up, right? That's the whole point of stealth mode. If someone didn't click on our ad, it's not going to show the pop-up. So that means when reviewers go to check this page, this is all they're going to see. They won't see a pop-up, they won't see an exit pop-up, and they'll approve it without a problem, right? So go ahead and close this. There's no exit pop-up there. All right, now what I want to do is copy this link, and I'm going to create an ad for that. I'm on Bing Ads. It's a PPC network, or a paid traffic network for pay-per-click traffic. And I'm creating a campaign for credit scores right here. All right. And I've just set a budget of $10, which is usually what I recommend when you're setting up a new campaign. The title, I just typed in Get Your Credit Score. Real simple ad. Just click the link above to get your credit score immediately. Right? Remember, we couldn't say anything about free credit. That was one of the terms that was on the offer. I don't know if I showed you that. Actually, let me go back and look at the basic info. It has all the rules of the offer. And one of the things that it says, publishers may not use the word free and report in conjunction with advertising, okay? So I can't put the word free in my ad. All right. Anyway, then we want to type in our keywords. Now here you could use free credit score. Better change that. So put a C in there. Free credit score. I've typed in credit score, download credit score, get credit report, whatever you want to put in here. All right, I'm not actually going to run this campaign. I'm just showing you how to set it up. Again, if I did run this campaign, it would go through that $10 budget pretty quickly, right? But we're just doing this for demonstration purposes. All right, so we have our link text. I showed you the ad and the keywords that we added. And now what we're going to do is put in our links. All right, so it says right here, our display URL. This is where we put the link right here, uber.com/credit score. We're going to paste that in for our display URL, and it will go right here. That's what your display URL is. It's the one that's right below the headline. It's what shows in your ad. The destination URL is where it goes when people actually click the ad. So the only difference is we're using the same one, and then we're doing $KW equals keyword, okay? And I will leave this link right below the video so that you can see how to format it, but that's basically it. You type in your link just as normal, and then you add the equals KW, and then, KW equals keyword in the brackets here, right? What this will do is when people click on this ad, it will pass whatever keyword they search for, and it will replace this with the keyword they searched, okay? So for example, if they search for credit score, what it will do is it will replace KW equals with credit score. Okay? This all happens behind the scenes with Bing, all right, or with Google AdWords or whoever you're using. If they search for Get Credit Report, then it will do KW equals Get Credit Report, okay? The reason I bring this up is because this is how stealth mode is functioning. It's looking for an actual keyword here. If this comes through blank, which, if a reviewer is going to check our ad, it's not going to pass a keyword, right? Because they didn't actually search for anything. They're just checking this link. They go to that. And again, they're just going to get the page, no pop-up and no exit pop-up. Perfect. They'll go ahead and approve it, right? Now, when this campaign's actually running and someone clicks on this link, let's say they search for the word credit score and they search on this link, now it's going to pass the word credit score, right? So let's go ahead and copy that, and I'll show you. We'll type in credit. It'll actually encode this, so I'll just type in what it will do. Credit score like this. This %20 basically means space, and that'll all happen behind the scenes. That's really too technical, but I just wanted to show you that. So what will happen now when we visit this link is they will visit our page, and there's our pop-up. Okay? That happened because there was a keyword. So if I took this off, we visit it, look, no pop-up, right? Let's say they just searched for credit, and that was one of our keywords, right? Hit enter, there's our pop-up. Let's say search for report, whatever, it doesn't matter, whatever this keyword is, there's our pop-up, Okay, so that's what I wanted to show you, is that what will happen when stealth mode is enabled, if there's a keyword pass through, it's going to show the pop-up. If there's not, it won't. And that's pretty much the basics of it, and that's it in its entirety. That's what it does. Okay. The other thing is you can actually enable and disable stealth mode on your own. You know, if you're going to do, let's say, Facebook traffic where there's no keywords, it's just run to certain people, then you could go in here, edit your campaign, and you could enable stealth mode and then run your ad, and then as soon as it's approved, you could just shut stealth mode off. You click save, and what will happen then is it's going to save our campaign. It says campaign's been saved. Now we view the links here, and you can see it's back to blue. This is just a normal link, so if somebody clicks this, there's our pop-up right there. Okay, so that pretty much covers both the automatic way and the manual way of using stealth mode, which I just showed you the manual way. The automatic way being, you know, when it passes the keywords in for you. And the manual way being where you can turn it on and turn it off at your discretion. One last thing I wanted to cover before I wrap this up is that stealth mode, not only does it enable the ability to turn the pop-up on when keywords are passed, but it will actually pass those keywords onto your affiliate network as well. And I'll show you the way it does that. If we go back to one of my campaigns here, I'll click on all campaigns so you can see where we're at, and I'll edit this credit score campaign. Now, the image link that I have right here is my affiliate link, right? And at the end of my affiliate link, I have this parameter. It says S1 equals. And this is a little bit more in depth than I wanted to cover, but I just wanted to show you that we do pass keywords onto the affiliate link. So what this will do, this S1 equals, it's called a sub ID. And it's used for tracking on the side of your affiliate network. If I were to pull up a conversion report on my affiliate network, so if I went to my affiliate network here and clicked on reports and then conversion report, it would show me all the sub IDs that had sales. Okay? So what stealth mode's doing, again, it's adding our keyword from the search onto the end of this link, which means that all the keywords that resulted in sales, or all the searches that resulted in sales, will now show up in your conversion report. So for those of you that were wondering, how can I view which keywords are actually working with my campaign, that's how it works. Alright guys, hopefully that gives you a good understanding of how stealth mode is functioning and what exactly it does for you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thanks again for watching this video today, and have a great day. Bye.